Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 12th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:35 am. So coming on to our today's trade, we are today have taken entry in Bharti Airtel. You can see here the price is currently spending time near our cost price, and this is our target traders, and here is our stop loss. So let me explain you the logic or the setup which I am using. So let me switch it to big time frame, let it say 1 hour. Okay traders, so here let me do it in 15 minutes, which will be easy to understand. Okay traders, so this is the chart of yesterday. This is the zone of yesterday's. So traders, here you can see a good momentum was came in the Bharti Airtel and it was closed near the upside. You can see a good momentum was seen yesterday and it was closed near high of yesterday. Okay traders, so what we think that if it is going to cross yesterday's high, then it will go upwards. Okay traders, so what I did here is I made a horizontal line on yesterday's day high, which is this. Okay traders, and now it was spending some time near this high, so there were chances that it will give a breakout of this high or the resistance which we have drawn. So we are trying to book a small profit till the next resistance, which is R1, which we get from the pivot point. So this is the simple setup which we are using, and currently we are in the trade. So the target which we have decided is some points below the next resistance, and the stop loss which we have decided is some points below. This is the swing high. So this is simple logic traders, and now we are waiting for our target. So let's see what happens. So traders, this was the all logic, and now I am pausing the video, and when it will hit our target I will update you. So traders, here you can see that firstly price tried to go upside but has not yet hit our target. So we will wait for our target in this our equity trade, that is in Bharti Airtel. So traders, let me also tell you that since today is Thursday, we will also be practicing options selling trade. Okay, so traders, I was saying that since today is Thursday. Okay traders, so today we will also practice option selling. As you know that on Thursday there is expiry of options, weekly option expiry. So all the options which are in out of the money will become zero. So we will take advantage of it and we will sell options, but we are practicing it, so we will do paper trading on Excel sheet. Also here you can see traders that it is now trying to come near our stop loss, but okay, we are having a stop loss, so no worry. Now coming on to our option selling trade traders. So this is the chart of bank nifty. You can see here the first resistance on the upside is here, okay, and the second support is here. So I have drawn these two horizontal lines to mark this resistance and this support. Okay traders, so what here we will do is that first we will sell 29,000 call, and here we will be selling 27,900 put. Both of these are out of the money options, and there are chances that it will become zero. So according to me traders, there are chances that bank nifty will be closing today in between these support and resistance. So according to me, this is my view traders. Okay, so let us come on to my Semco account. It is taking okay. So I have added both of these options in my watch list. Okay traders, now what we will do is that we will be placing order in this Excel sheet. So first let us sell 29,000 call. So 29,000 call we will sell one lot. So currently it is trading with 32. Okay, so we will be selling at 32 price with target of 1 rupee, and our stop loss here is 60, and we are taking trade at 9:54 am. I am mentioning the time so that we can watch the chart if our stop loss was got hit. So we have taken our first entry in option selling. Now we will sell second option, that is 27,900 put. 27,900 put with one lot, that is 25 quantities, and let's see at how much value it is trading. So 31.45. so we will place the order with 31 rupees with target of 1, and stop loss will be same, that is 60, and the time at which we have taken the trade is same, 9:54 am. So 9:54 am. So traders, we have taken our entry in for the option selling, and this is now going on, and this is a chart of Bank Nifty. Till then, let's see what has happened in our Bharti Airtel trade. Okay traders, so it has hit our stop loss. So okay, we have booked our first loss of today's trade. So we will be calculating our loss in Bharti Airtel. Till then, let us come on to our Bank Nifty. So traders, we have taken entry in Excel sheet for the option selling, and now what we have to do is traders, that now we will wait till 3 p.m. for all the options to out of the money options to get 0. So we will wait till 3 p.m. for this option selling trade, and I will update you. Okay traders, so traders, still we are waiting for our option selling trade till 3 p.m. Let's calculate our loss in Bharti Airtel which we have booked today. So our total stop loss points were 2.70, and our quantities were 30. So our today's total loss in equity segment is 81 rupees traders, and we are waiting for our trade in option selling. So traders, let me tell you, the maximum loss which I try to book is which means that I can only bear the maximum loss of 100 rupees in the equity segment. So I take maximum loss of 100, and we have booked loss of 81. Okay traders, so this was trade in equity segment, but in Bank Nifty I have taken a paper trade. I have also taken paper trade in equity, but the maximum loss which we can bear in option selling is 1000, because we have to take some more risk to get some more reward. So this was it traders, and now we are waiting for our option selling trade, and I will update you at 3 p.m. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, let me show you time. So it's now 3:02 p.m. and this is chart on 15 minutes, and you can see here now market is closing in the range which we made in the morning, and it behaved the way we want, and our strategy has been successful. Now let us come on to the watch list and see. So yeah, this is the account of Semco traders. Here you can see that there is 0.25, and it is now trading with 0.40 paise. So our target has been achieved. Now let us come on to our Excel sheet. Here you can see, so our target has been achieved. Okay traders, so now we'll calculate our today's total profit in option selling. So the profit which we made in 29,000 call is 775, and in 27,900 put we gained the profit of 750. So our total profit is traders 1525 in option selling. But we also know that we have made a loss in equity segment, so that's okay. We are learning and we are doing paper trade. So please become a part of my learning career and my learning stage. So this was our today's trade. Thank you for watching the video and have a good day.